In today's video, we are going to learn how to post to a discussion in a community on our new website, spacecoastmls.com. The first step to creating a discussion post in one of our communities on our new website is to go to our new website, spacecoastmls.com. Once you're there, click the Member Login button. That will take you to the member login screen on our website. If you've not created a new login yet, you'll want to watch that video first so that you can get started. If you have created a login, log into our website. Once you are logged into our website, it will take you to our member-only homepage. You can tell that you are on the member-only homepage because the top portion of the web page is gray instead of white. Once there, click on the Communities tab. When you click on the Communities tab, it will create a drop-down. You can click on All Communities or My Communities to get to the communities that you are a member of. Once you've clicked that, it will take you to a list of your communities. Scroll down to the one that you would like to make a post in. When you arrive at that community, scroll to the bottom of the area that says Latest Discussion Posts and click More. This will take you to a page with all the threads of the posts that have already been published. On the top right is a button that says Post New Message. Click that to get to the message editor. Once you have arrived on our discussion post editor, make sure that you are posting to the correct discussion. Also, make sure that you fill in your subject line and then put the information that you want to share in the body of the editor. You have many options for adding additional stuff, such as videos, links, and pictures. You can utilize any of those functions. Once you are done, please make sure that your post is exactly how you want it before you click Send. If you are posting to one of your communities that is associated with a committee, you may want to add certain files that you would need to attach instead of using one of the icons in the editor. You can attach PowerPoints, PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, and many other things such as webinars by using the Attachments button. Once you have attached whatever it is that you wanted to add, you can hit the Send button and this post will be published. This screenshot shows you what a post looks like once you have published it into your community. Please note that if you are sending your post in Real Marketing, it needs to adhere to FREC guidelines and our association solicitation policy. You can post unlimited times in any of our other communities. You are only permitted to post twice in Real Marketing. You are allowed to reply unlimited times in Real Marketing in any of our other communities. Have questions? Contact the association at 321-242-2211.